All right, we just finished another starting left to right square right here, and that's what we've got sitting right here. This is the end of it. And then we are looking at some picked up stitches from previous. Here's a set right here that's the left side of that square, and then another set right here, and it's the left side of this square. So what we're trying to do is make this square right here. And we're starting, oh, sorry for the bump. We're starting right there at the point where we've just ended this square here. So the first thing that we're going to do is cast on stitches for this. So we're going to cast on those stitches, work our way back, and then we're going to pick up purlwise, because we'll have the wrong side facing us. We're going to pick up purlwise to here, and then we'll have all of these stitches here. So we're actually going to be working with about 59 stitches all around this square here. And we're going to be doing our central double decrease this way, and we're going to be knitting two together right along this edge to get this whole thing to meld together. We'll see how this looks. All right, so there's our 19 cast on. Turn our whole thing around, and we're going to work back to the middle here. I'm going to add a marker, purl this next stitch, and then all along this edge right here, we're going to pick up 19 purlwise. So when you're picking up purlwise, you're coming from the front to the back of the work and pulling it so that the front is going to have a nice neat edge. I don't like where that picked up. Sometimes it's tricky for me. Sometimes I have to get out the other needle, pick it up, and then pick that up purlwise. Okay, here's 19. I'm going to place my marker, and I'm going to knit this next stitch and turn. All right, and now I'm just slipping this first stitch with my yarn in front. And I'm going to knit all along till we reach our next marker, which is where we're going to do our central double decrease. Okay, here we are. We're 2 stitches from our central marker. Slip those off together, take off our marker, knit the next stitch, bring them back over top. There we go. That gives us a nice central decrease, central double decrease, and then we're going to knit across to the end. So I just wanted to take this off the needles for a second. We're working on this square right here, and I just wanted to show you how it looks when it's not pulled out all flat, as we've cast on these, picked up these, and then these are the ones that were sitting on the needle waiting for us from previous rows. And as we're working together, we're doing our miter here and our knit 2 together here. So it's joining on this edge and then also pulling and pinching into that square shape. And we're going to end right here with our final central double decrease.